Hello, and welcome once again to Manna Audiology. My name is Dr. Kurt Wright, audiologist and founder of Charlotte's only Audiology certified practice. I'm here to tell you more about our practice's commitment to serving your hearing care needs. At Manna Audiology, our commitment to providing you an unsurpassed hearing care experience begins the moment you contact our office, and it continues for as long as you're in our care. During your initial appointment, we'll evaluate the hearing and communication difficulties you're having. Once we've gained an understanding of the world through your ears, we'll perform the necessary diagnostic tests required to determine the degree of hearing loss you may be experiencing. After the appropriate tests have been completed, our Audiology certified professionals will sit down with you and they'll discuss the results in detail. And we'll do it in a way that's easy to understand. We believe an educated patient is an empowered patient, and the better you understand the nature of your hearing loss, the better we can effectively work to find solutions to your hearing loss. Together, we'll examine the various treatment and rehabilitation options that are available for your specific type of hearing loss and how they apply to your desired communication goals and unique listening lifestyle. At Manna Audiology, our goal is to meet and exceed your expectations through our compassionate, friendly, and thorough approach to hearing health care. Call Manna Audiology today to make better hearing a part of your everyday life.